up, everybody? Sami here. So I'm at the launch event of the OPPO Find N6. I think the most amazing foldable phone I've ever seen so far. There are lots of things going on about this phone, but you know, this video is just going to be a quick overview, a quick hands-on. Let's get started. All right, so this is the OPPO Find N6. My first impression, oh my god, this is just a crazy thing. I know one of the highlights for the N6 is the seamless crease. Okay, the crease is incredibly smooth, but we're talking about that a little bit later, because my first impression is, oh my god, this is super like it's tight, you know, super compact, very light. And I think they didn't focus too much on the thickness of the N6, but this N5, this N6, you can check. I think it's even thinner, right? It's even thinner, right? Wow, 8.93 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. Anyway, let's take a quick look at the design. So here the speaker, infrared blaster, and the power key. There's also this fingerprint scanner, volume rocker, and this is the customized key, which allows you to, to quick memorize something. The bottom, the Type-C, and the speaker, and the SIM card slot. That's it. That's kind of. This is the back camera module. Wow. The flash, they made a protruding one, so yeah. So this is the M5, so you can compare the difference. So they just, because right now it comes with a quadro, camera system. So they just separate the flash here, and it's protruding now. So I think pretty much the same design as the M5, but made it more even thinner and more compact. And now let's talk about the Crease. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm not sure if you can see clear from the other ways, but wow, crazy. Okay, this is the M5. Okay, this is M5. It's a little bit too dirty. Oh my god. Both at the black background. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god, incredible. Now let's talk about the gesture controls. They introduced I think three different gestures. One is that, okay, like this. You can just resize the window to whatever size you want, like this. Okay, right? One is this, and also something like this, and this is a floating window. Of course, I'm not sure how to call in the facial term, but this is how it looks. Something like this, and if you want to want it to be in perfect array windows, just okay, just a second. So this way, okay, you can double type to enlarge any small window you want. Okay, whatever. Wow. So, okay, this app cannot. Oh, like this. Okay, not inward, but outward. Wow.
Watch 叉3，我买 OPPO Watch 叉3
So, and now let's talk about the camera system. So the main camera comes with a 200 megapixel Hasselblad. So let's just take some random one. Portrait. All right, maybe. Okay, let's check. Wow, not bad, right? We have to wait. Wow. Let me try the 200 megapixel camera. Okay, 200 megapixel should be like PavoTube. Just a second. I think it's the Hasselblad Harris. So this should be the 200 megapixel. Can you see? You can see this, right? So let me just try to focus on the some more text. Okay. It took a while because it's like several pictures combined then together. So, okay. And now we can zoom in. The small text we can see very clear, right? Yes, this Crease has passed a two-way Rhineland certification. So it's like the fold like for more than 600,000 times, still like looks super even, super even. Oh my God, that's crazy. All right. Wow, that's it. I think I would definitely buy one of these. I have to find that pen, the AI pen. You see the two charging contacts here, right? And you can just put like this, and it will charge your pen. It's charging now. So whenever you put it back, it will charge. Some different styles. Let me just show you. Image, picture book, watercolor, marker pen, photorealistic, 3D animation. So this is what it generated. Looks cool. Let's check out some other colors. So this is another color, the silver color, I guess. The silver color, and this is the Crease. This is the gold finish. This is a very fancy color, you know. It's not oversaturated, so it won't look like a very vulgar, you know. 3 colors for the OPPO Find96. Which one do you like most? Let me know in the comments. There's also a keyboard, you know, rather thin one. The key travel, I would say, basically like you type on a table. And there's Type-C here, so you can charge it. I don't know the battery life, but it's quite compact. You can easily like, put it to pocket, like, very easily. Put to pocket. Yeah. All right, OPPO Watch X3. I guess from the specs, I don't think it has like a huge upgrade compared to the X2, compared to its predecessor. But what really amazed me is the design. So they adopted all this kind of titanium material. So first impression is like super light, and you can see the design is like super fancy. Okay, this is the band, the strap. It seems like a wow. I think it's just overall impression is like really fancy. I mean, let me just give you like a quick walkthrough of the gesture. Like swipe down, you can see some shortcuts, Wi-Fi, battery life, basically like a phone now, NFC. And you can click in the settings. You can see. Let me just switch to English. Just a second. Maybe we'll just switch to English a little bit. So now, so should be English now. So swipe down, shortcuts, right? Swipe up, notification. Swipe left, swipe right. Bruno. Swipe left, health center, get started. So tap and hold the edit tiles. Alright, definitely add this. It give you a quick like widgets overview of your today's activity, like steps, calories burned or whatever. So you can, wow, this is like crazy. Ooh, check out, super smooth, right? Super smooth. Okay, let me just wear it a little bit. Okay. 来个照片。It says I'm normal. This is the SPO2, right? Okay, SPO2. Okay. Please keep still for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. Let's try it. So let's just wait. 97% SPO2. Perfect condition. Not dying yet. I'm not dying. I still can make a lot of videos for you guys. Definitely subscribe. This is OPPO Watch X3. Check it out.